Alright, we're at the East Campus parking garage, and that goes to the stadium. This is a Schindler Modernized by Industrial Commercial Elevator. This is a Schindler Modernized by Industrial Commercial. This is considered the main level.
Slowing down.
The fan's off. Nice. B. Here in the basement.
Floor B.
Go to 4R. Chime does not work anymore. MEI motor. It's even vibrating the floor. I want to hear that motor again. We'll go back down to B.
Floor 4R.
Okay. Oh, this one works. That's copyrighted. Fan was on last time I rode this. We're not getting off this since it's a storage level.
Floor B.
We'll close the door and we'll start the motor up then. Three, two, one. We'll get a view outside after this. Jeez, I can feel it from my feet. Here are 4.
Floor 4R.
We'll get. How about a view at the top? Let's get a view from the top. There's the stadium. Here's the stadium for Carnegie Mellon University, the Trojans. The Trojans is the mascot here, if you didn't know. There is a stadium here, just so you know. Way over there is Gerald L. Cohen University Center. There's the elevator. Sorry, CMU. That's Gerald L. Cohen University Center. That's the entrance from the building to the field. With that being said, let's sit back down. The S. And the S. We'll get a cab view. Very nice elevator. 3 fixtures, innovation universal, hands-free 88 code applied phone. Capacity on this one is 2,500 pounds.
Floor S.
That's your indicator. Here are the stadium level. This used to have EPCO. Before that, it had RT. There goes and. That's it.